Siringa diski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme.
What's up, football lovers? I'm your host, Biri. Welcome back to Serenga Ngediski. Please comment below and let us know your prediction for the new PSL season. This is Serenga Ngediski. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video. Please, Bafete Sankela, do that, because when we check on our watch time from our subscribers for the last 28 days, Bafete, people who are checking our show who not subscribed, we have 92.6% of abantu ababheki show they don't subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. And we have abantu abasubscribile checking the show, it's 7.4. Please Bafetu, let's just make sure that at least at the end of this year, Bafetu shang 100% ya wonke umuntu subscribile. Bafetu, it's free to subscribe, it doesn't cost you money. You just click that subscribe button, Bafetu. Hola Jenny.
Hola bafethu, this is Soji General 1010 Mashume Mpa Tsolowa. This is Serenga Ngediski. Ha dithomo hola bia, hopefully everyone is home. Yabona ngaphandle bafethu ukuthi achithekile kanyewa. Kushubile. Asigezeni sibe home bafethu. Today it's all about talking about MTN 8 games bafethu. Wolas. Yeah, sicala ngegame le Orlando Pirates versus Devon City. I don't have much to say about MTN 8. Kakhulukazi ngoba i-team yami ikhahlelwe ngaphandle. Kaizer Chiefs. Aish, abafana bakuthula ngocolo. Ibhola makalina therefore, oh well. In the Pirates and Devon City, I was impressed in performance ka Maswangai. He's improved a lot. Singakhohlwa ukuthi sino Moremi. I'm giving him a new name. He's just a moving train. Ayigijimi le ndoda iyabaleka. Sino no data from Devon City. That guy is a troublemaker. And I'm also impressed in a combination ga Moremi no Maswangai. It's really on another level. Maswangai, ukhulume vaka iqiniso lali disclassicus. He's a crowd puller. Asibhekeni lo mfana dlala phakathi eswini phakathi kwendawo. I-game changer, the distributor, the creator, dancing, the dancing shoes. He's good at reading the game. He's very dangerous ngalama pass wakhe lawa akhiphayo. But masithi sabheka ngoba umnandi amasweet uyababa ushukela. Elinye ishukela eluthi molithele etiyeni ulithele overdose. Loya mfana uyahamba uyabaleka. Kodwa ke masithi sabheka, he's one of the player uzoba nama injury amaningi. Why? Because most of the opponents might only play fana no dancing. Ufaka isicathulo, bafaka ibhathu just ukuthi baminus. And masithi siyabheka in the first 18, 19 minutes, close to 20 minutes. I-Pirates had too much ama-back passes. Umbatha, uSiyema noSebelebele, they had too many mistakes. Angazi ukuthi they were too relaxed or kanjani. Kodwa-ke after 20 minutes konke kuke kwabuya. And into ebuyisile igame iPirates ukuthi babuye futhi nge-formation ileya shot leyashaya uMbatha, which there was a good save made by the goalkeeper uAsare, a goalkeeper at Durban City. While Pirates was too quick to fall back after losing the ball, it was a good thing. Sinoshandu from Orlando Pirates, who is playing a right back for Durban City. One solid defender, Amay State. Honestly, that's one of the players engathi mangifaka emuva nginalento ukuthi I believe ukuthi hayi soze kwaba namaphutha ngoba he goes all out, he gives his all. Sinalentwana bathi uMbuthuma, Nkosi yami, I was so disappointed. You can't trap. If you can't trap, you can pass. You can't trap. Amabhola amaningi they became ama-loose ball kuye. Yonke ibhola eza kuye izela le. There was a good cross coming from uMaswanganyi nge-28 minute. Kunalapho bekumele iPirates lead khona, the first goal, which ithole uMbuthuma walikhahlela la Gibela Intaba. Sino ubani uPoggelpoen uthole red card which it cost i-team kakhulu, hayi kancane nakhona. But second half iDurban City ithole like it needed it, like what should I say, how should I put it, Durban City needs consolidates from the back and a forced formation change since Vele they were one man down. Sino Sufumba, one of the good players from Durban City, age 21, a midfielder. There was a good combination and good touches. Kunalapho phela iDurban City besibamba uPirates lapha. Sino uLubumba, again I can say, is one of the toughest players whom don't need to be given a space along the net because he plays it behind the net. One chance ayithola yadibana nayo nje ikhala phakathi. Sinoserino, one of the players which we know ukuthi he plays engaliso, and he ended up getting a deserved yellow card. Ilama player lawa adlala ngenhliziyo ukuthi if something doesn't happen the way I have planned, nyamusha. I saw a better performance after they were one man down at Durban City. The performance was way too better. I was impressed about the good substitution made coach Durban City umabakhipha uSerino kwangena uMaseko. Ungene uMaseko no Morris. Maseko, the one whom he's being called uSix Mabone. Aziyaduma lapha, jersey number 10 mashume umpatho lowa. Kubonakala change. Second half Durban City, they started the game with fire of attack. Too many free kicks for Pirates, but they got to be misused. Mbuthuma finally, he was substituted for Radiopane. One player with confidence. Ukhositsile ngwana Motswana. Make them dance, Nejubane, Ayakijima creative, and he has composure. We have Zulu from Orlando Pirates. I was impressed to see him. He's one of the solid and smart defender. Sefumba and Shandu, they well played. They proved their point. And then Pirates, they were playing under pressure as if they're the ones who are one man down. Second half, Durban City besiza ngenye indlela. Sinomsomi for Durban City, well performed, though he was out due to overstraining performance from the high-pressured game with the 10 men down. Udlalile to a point waze wacela kucoach ukuthi coach ngicela ungikhiphe. Sengizwile, though he gave his all, he gave whatever he had. Sino Domingo for Durban City, a threat and a chance taker. Leya Nkabi leya hayi ngathi ngikabi kodwa-ke kena umuntu angapha uDomingo ngathi umuntu obuye e-Iraq makabamba isibhamu uyacabanga nje ukushuta nje. Dubula magazini safa indlala. Sinolunge for Pirates, Shukuma Mshukumi nejubane likhona lapho, but he's skillful. He's a bull actually. Sino Ncanana, he's been a great leader as the captain of the team. I was disappointed Maurice. He had too many balls on his feet, but his technique wasn't on the right edge to destroy Pirates. Kahle kahle bekumele kube uye umuntu ubulala Pirates ayi-1. After being given amabhola, he was supplied. Kahle kahle kugcine sekuba umbatha versus the goalkeeper. Akadubulanga to a point ukuthi asakathi I deny. I say no. No to the goals. No to your shots. Nanoma vele bebamdabula ngama-shot to a point whereby zishisa izandla. Avimbile athi ngithi mbatha awuyindawo. They came a last minute goal from Ulungu where Durban City had a mindset of penalties. Hence they were defending. Masaksele only a few minutes with the game is iphele. Tears of joy from Lungu as his first goal and first game with the Black Ones, Orlando Pirates. It was not a good game for Pirates though, but Durban City would have won the game with the greater chances of a 10-man down, but never used it wisely to slot the Black Ones. Coming to iGame Sundowns nePolokwane City. Kunalo mfana bathi uTidimalo from Polokwane City, a man with confidence. They came a surprise lead from Dlamini. Polokwane City, high and low goal that never gave Williams a chance to save it in 7 minutes. Excellent footwork from Bennett Mokoena in 10 minutes. We have a versatile player from Sundowns, Ocho Hannes. We also had Sin, the outstanding play, though fouled but never was judged. Umukwena, because it's a rough game, whereby there were too many delays from the ref, which ref fouls to also issue out cards, but he didn't. Kunalapho abashamkunya but I thought ukuthi uphukile, but hey, a strong man always has to know ukuthi when it's time for impi, I stand up and fight. Sundowns is one of the experienced teams. You score it first. It's shanga technique, it comes back. To remember Jaden Adams asingamkhohlwa, though inamba yakhe it was discontinued to be part of the team because umnikazi ulele nayo. Sino Matthews, slender, umfana omncane, letsetse. Ngisho yona intuthwane, mangene embobeni awukhona ukuyikhipha. Slender, he is having the thrill of the game. Though naye bekafauliwa vele lende. Sino Basadian for Sundowns, a left back, an excellent player who's able to overlap. Aphinda abuye futhi recover. We had the second goal from Van Wyk. Van Wyk, a machine who interrupts defenders. Ile type yokuthi mangenile kuyabonakala. Uzokwenza ukuthi manje ube nenhlupheko uzibuza ukuthi ngimbamba ngapha uphunyuka ngapha kanjani. There's this other player which I've mentioned before, Utidimalo. His name is Silence, but there's nothing silence about him. Polokwane City, hi, bakwazi lukusena lapha. He's a man who stole the ball in the third half and made it to 2-2 in the 60th minute. So kahle kahle mina bengibheka ukuthi hayi Sundowns ukuphelile ngayo eschayi. Polokwane City uMaphangule, he deserves to be cautioned with the late bet challenges. Bayakakhahlela bangadlali bangabuzi ile ndoda ebathi kusala mina kusala ibhola. Kusala i-opponent or kusala ibhola. One of the two kwamele isale. The referee has been more than lenient as he be letting go of the offenses to not even give any cards any cuts deserved. Attempt to it or something else. I was impressed with the substitute Mudiba and his crew. They came in with beautiful and confident touches. As free kicks got to be given by frustrating opponents at Polokwane City. Snowbeng Nkosi Bonginkosi Dlamini, he deserves a break. He gave his all and showed how tired he was by also asking the coach to be substituted. Sinoma Tonzi, he really deserved the red card with his silly and rough challenges. During first half extra time, Sundowns tried to penetrate with through balls but couldn't hang the net. So another late goal for Sundowns, like the Pirates game. Kube namanye amagoli bewamangaza ukuthi madoda lapho sithina sadefenda simele ukuthi kuye kuma penalty nxa kuphakathi khashala kanje sesimane sesiqhubekile siye ku the next round.
Baipegi from Soweto Blankets. Soweto Blankets. Baipegi ngiyazi abanye bathi ngubo njengawe uthi ngubo babangi barike kubo. Baipegi from Soweto Blankets. Baipegi sinje masithanda sithi support udaki sikulethela ama-import wengubo. Baipegi ulale kamnandi. Sithi support udaki.
From Soweto Blankets. Ulale kamnandi.
Sikulethela ama-import wengubo. Baipegi ulale kamnandi from Soweto Blankets.
Singene ku Kaizer Chiefs. Hey, yane nayi team yami madoda andazi kwenze njani. Chiefs has too many chances which it should have taken them to the next round. Arrows wasn't that much in an attack. If only Chiefs would have used first half chances to take on the chance to qualify to the MTN 8 next round, but never made it to be an outstanding lead before it's too late. It's like the way Pirates and Sundowns won their games, whereby it was almost the same game now. We still expect Guti they will score on the last minute. We had in Ngobo 3 consecutive chances just to place and celebrate. Konke bekudutshula imagazini safa indlala amabhola agibela intaba singazi ukuthi kwenze njani. Kodwa ke igame lindlulile liphelile. There's no turning back. You can't replay it and miss those chances we got. Into ebuhlungu ngebhola ukuthi you get chances, 20 million chances, you miss them. The opponent gets only one chance. Sayispanisa lekhala phakathi. We lose. We cry and say only if we would have used our chances. But unfortunately so. Akonakali. There was a massive save from Peterson that contained the game's pressure. Unfortunately so, akayiridanga leya bhola when the opponents basibulala ngincaku. He went out his line thinking bazoyicrossa. According to the way goal ingenile angazi ukuthi beyicross ingwenya or vele beseyiredile ukuthi uPeterson uphumile elayinini awuthi ngilihlabe lapho uma khona. Oh well bafethu, I hope everyone is warm, everyone uphuzile itiye or yona ikufi. We are warm, ama-fleas, ama-water bottle asibeni engubeni laba ngavuka ngabaya espanini abaphumule baya espanini. Hopefully we believe nifaka amajasi ni warm ni sharp phela ke beke ele ya di-call front ho sa tlo bata a re tlhapeng re beskono. Yo bafethu, this is Serengane Ngediski. Let's like, share, comment, subscribe. Sisonke bafethu, this is G General bafethu. Awuthi ngilayele ngizonibona futhi with the next coming games next week tse same time same spot. Asibe happy wala bafethu.
Hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu Serengane Ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi
Afrostyle disc, adlale disc, that's why siringa ngedisc. Yes, yeah. Yibonke ngijane laba.